Okay, before I do this song, just want to show you guys. That's 365 songs I pulled out from top to bottom. I'm gonna try to do one a day, a music video, if I can put the melody to the lyrics. So yeah, that's 365. I had plenty more where that came from anyways, so those are just the ones I'd love to get out of the way this year. Okay? A lot are older, so like the other one I'm doing tomorrow, The Big Dream, that's, yeah, Big Dream, that is the second song I ever wrote, so, yeah. Let's anyways do this, huh? Alright, this is gonna be upside down. Oh, I got it right. I think I do pretty good at this. Alright. Which song? Drag at my butt real quick. This song is called I'm a Catch-22. Or Why Am I a Catch-22? One or the other. We'll find out when I do the song. Or if I remember all the lyrics. This isn't a freestyle. I wrote this song. But it is a rough draft. Most of the videos I put up will be rough drafts. But if I end up liking them, then I'll keep them like that. And then if I see a lot of work that needs to be done, I'll do the work. Either way, I'm going to put up a lot of music for you guys. So stay tuned in. Alright. Let's try it. Let's see if I'm tuned in. I'm going to use those strings, but don't even need them, so anyways, I think I'm tuned in. Yeah, it's in there. Good enough. Just had to get my hands sweaty because this song's a little quicker than some songs I do. Alright, here we go. I love to hate. Yes, yeah, why do I hate love? I'm in one fucked up predicament if there really isn't a bottle house. Oh, I wanna know, why must I fight through? I had peace before you came through. Oh, yeah. Fuck, this hurt every single motherfucker. Oh, shit. Okay, let's keep going. Cause I am a Catch-22. Fuck if I don't, fuck if I do. Yeah, so where shall I go to get back home? Fuck you fuckers that love to roam. You fucking know. Oh, away from me. I wanna know, why should I follow through when all the hating's done by you? Fuck you, you fucking non-cons. Yes, that's right, ladies. I said a fucking word. It's a catch-22 too. Yeah, I know you hate it, ladies, but fuck it. I don't care, cause stands for can't understand. No more fucking thinking. Why do you think that the world was made for all you fucking crazy ladies? Yes, I swear to God, I only attract those fucking crazy bitches that like to attack. Oh, mentally just fall with your brain. God damn, why do I attract the criminally insane? I wanna know why I'm a catch-22. Tried so many times. Well, you know what they say. Then the road paved to hell is paved with good intention. Well, guess what? I just might change my mind to a whiskey cup. Why am I the catch-22? Fuck if I don't. Fuck if I don't. So I gotta know, where do I go to get back my soul? No, just found me in this guitar fucking hole. Find my soul, you know. So many people doing wrong. I wanna say this through this song. Fuck all of you, you know it too. Karma will get you open. Don't worry, it does not know how to slack. Cause I know it's because why am I a catch-22? I want to know, why am I fucked all the way through? No matter what I do, oh well, let's go. The catch-22, guess what I say to you? Fuck you, wait a second, that's me. Yes, I'm still happy being the way I am. I know that I'm pretty fucking insane. Oh yes, I know about the whole catch-22 and how to get through. And guess what? Either way, I get to see. Fuck you, and you know exactly who you are that I'm singing about. Yes, you know who you are, you know who you scar, and it's your own damn children. And don't worry, people, I'm not talking about God. Thank you. And I hope it didn't suck, because, yeah. I changed a lot of the words up, and the beat was new as hell, so hope it didn't suck. And thanks for listening. Bye. And, I'll be, putting another one up very soon, and I think the next one's gonna be, The Big Dream. If not, I might put up the song, Magic, or even Oh Diana, because Oh Diana is, about an ex, and, she knows who she is, and I think she'd even like the song, even though she hates my guts now. Alright, bye.